Welcome to Rapid Sell. To join the auction excitement, download our app from your app store by searching Rapid Sell. Once you've installed the app, you can scroll through our exciting auctions featuring estates, moving sales, and business surplus. Select View Auction to start exploring. To bid on items, register to bid. If you're new to Rapid Sell, the app will prompt you to create an account with a valid credit card. Otherwise, simply confirm your information, read and agree to the terms of use, and let us know how you heard of us, or just click Skip. You'll receive a notification once your registration is approved, and you'll be ready to start bidding on your favorite lots. You can also pre-bid on items before an auction opens. These items will be added to your My Items list. Alternatively, click on the star to save lots for easy access later. Here's a quick tip. Double-clicking the stars allow you to set a reminder for when your lot is about to close. To bid on an item, simply click the Bid button. This will display the next highest amount required to take the lead. Alternatively, you can place a max bid, which is the maximum amount you are willing to pay for that lot. Your bid will automatically increase by the next highest increment only as needed to maintain your position as the highest bidder up to your max bid. Please note, you will be prompted to confirm bids and max bids, and all bids are final. All the information you need about an upcoming auction can be found by clicking the small information circle in the top right corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the auction pickup location, when the auction opens and closes, the preview date, when you can view items before bidding, and pickup instructions for when you win. Please note, if you win a lot, you are responsible for picking up your winnings during the designated pickup time. Failure to do so will result in an abandonment fee. On bidding day, keep an eye on your lots in the My Items list. You'll see the clock ticking down as your items approach closing time. A short amount of time will be added whenever a new bid is placed until the highest bidder wins. You'll see a "You won" message on the items you've won. The following day, your credit card will be charged and you'll receive an email with a link to book your pickup time with a copy of your invoice. Rapid Sell is not just a fun and exciting place to find unique and valuable items. It's also a way to extend the life of cherished items with dignity and respect. We hope you love Rapid Sell as much as our clients, and we do. Have fun as you bid, buy, and win at rapidsell.ca.